Blurry salsa man.
Today's National Girlfriend Day, and to celebrate, we went to our favorite place in Berkeley, which is Shanky, and we got boba. What did you get?
I got strawberry milk tea.
I got mango green tea. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hey.
Hey.
We're going on a picnic.
Yeah.
After our work day.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yay.
Fit check. We're at the Rose Garden. You need to sit down. Do a heart. Yeah, they're just hogging it. It's pretty in the back. No, this is so funny.
Every single person got on Friday.
Really?
And looked like everything and like everything. They both got on
Just the best one. We're at Laval's after hiking to the Rose Garden, and I got chicken Alfredo. What'd you get?
I got barbecue chicken pizza. It's too hot right now.
You want a napkin? Eat this
Try. Is it good? Good check.
My top is from Abercrombie, my skirt is from Brandy, and my shoes are from Taiwan. What was it called?
I forgot.
DAF. D and AF. So we just went to Trader Joe's and we're gonna do a haul of what we got. First we have tofu. And this is our favorite ravioli. It's the truffle and mushroom. And then Brian got these blueberry muffins for breakfast. And this is salsa for our tortilla chips. We have zucchini, these little cucumbers to make cucumber salad. Corn. This is microwave ready, but we don't have a microwave. So we have to steam it probably. This is my breakfast of choice. These are garlic and cheese breadsticks. This is Brian's favorite salad. It's the crunchy slaw. There's movie theater popcorn for our movie watching at home. These are Brian's all-time favorite spicy tempura seaweed snack. And they're always out of stock. So, yay. These are my favorite snack mochi nuggets. Hard-boiled eggs. This is a new dip I'm trying, vegan kale cashew and basil pesto. Is that it?
Yeah.
And that's it.